Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit cover, loosen the screw on the side cover of the device and unlatch the cover to remove it. Identify the power supply unit cover and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and slide the cover out of the system. To reinstall the power supply unit cover, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables and secure the side cover on the system. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.